So, if we talk about FSM, Mike, is there any other challenges you faced while implementing FSM in your organization till date?
Yeah, a lot of challenges. Basically, we had one challenge after another and never had the time to stop and to recover from our business business. So, for example, performance is a large issue. As I said, a lot of calculations are done permanently behind the scenes, and since weeks we are in touch permanently with the product team of ServiceNow, for example, regarding the dispatcher workspace, because the dispatchers were complaining about the long loading times when opening a dispatcher workspace, and so one of these challenges is still to come to an end with this problem, with this issue, so that the loading time is reduced. Another challenge was in this project, this is not related to FSM. At the beginning of the project, I asked the customer, so how many network elements we have in the future? No? The network elements are the physical things which are broken and which have to be fixed. And he said 100,000. Okay, I said 100,000 is okay. This can be handled. So now we have 4 million. So, and this is a difference, whether you import 100,000 elements or 4 million elements. So you need complete different approaches. And also, as I said, the mobile application had many challenges. I think it was only some days before when the agents the first time saw Google Maps on a mobile phone. We are in production since 1 year about, and agents need Google Maps to know where they are. And due to any strange bug in a mobile application or any certificate, no one understands this. But ServiceNow fixed this, and now they can see the Google Maps. So as I said, we had permanently challenges all the project